Sometimes trying to save a little money can cost you a lot more in the end. Today, I'm sharing a real story about one of our clients who learned this lesson the hard way. Trust me, you don't want to miss today's video. For the sake of this video, let's call our client Sarah. She's a homeowner who wanted to upgrade her old flooring to something beautiful and durable. Like many people, she got several quotes, including one from us. But when she saw a quote that was $2,000 cheaper from another contractor, she decided to go with them. She thought, how bad could it be? Well, things started going wrong almost immediately. The contractor showed up late, used low quality materials, and cut corners everywhere. But it really started going downhill when they began to self-level the floor. The contractor came in, leveled the entire floor. However, one day, when the homeowner came down to her basement to take a look at their work, she noticed that the self-leveler was already cracking just within a few days. Here were the issues we found that caused this. First, they did not grind down the concrete to make sure they had a clean substrate. Second, they did not use any primer before pouring the leveler, which is a big no-no. You always have to use primer to ensure the leveler can stick to the substrate. Third, they used the wrong self-leveler. Then, Sarah realized that the contractor wasn't even following the agreed timeline. A project that should have taken a week dragged on for over a month. After weeks of stress and calling the contractor back and forth to fix the project multiple times, Sarah had enough. The contractor stopped responding and she was left with a poorly prepped floor. She wasted her money and she had a huge mess to clean up. And here's the kicker. She had already paid a $5,000 deposit for the materials and work that was done. All that money was gone, she didn't get a refund, and the flooring installation hasn't even begun. That's when Sarah called us. She told us the whole story, and we immediately stepped in to make it right. We started by removing all the leveler that was installed by the previous contractor, which means we had to start everything from scratch. After a few days of work, lots of grinding and self-leveling, we fixed the issues caused by the previous contractor, and we were ready to begin the installation on a flat and a solid subfloor. This time, Sarah decided to go with a higher quality material that we offer, a beautiful laminate floor. Take a look at the results here. Sarah learned an important lesson. Sometimes the cheapest quote isn't the best option. Hiring the wrong contractor can cost you time, money, and a lot of unnecessary stress. Listen to the review Sarah left us. If I could do it all over again, I'd hire Atlas Flooring and Design from the start. I had previously hired someone who messed up my floors. I called Atlas Flooring and Design in hopes of fixing the mistakes, and they came in and went above and beyond. Worth every cent. Don't let what happened to Sarah happen to you. When it comes to your home, choosing the right flooring company makes all the difference. If you enjoyed this video, come back next week to see the amazing transformation we did to our new showroom. And if you're thinking about upgrading your floors in the Raleigh, North Carolina area, contact us on our website and we will make sure it gets done right the first time.